In R80.10, every change made to a policy, object database, or general configuration is recorded in a session and stored on the security management server. R80.10 provides the option to take over a session that another security administrator has started, but not published for others to see. Security administrators are assigned a permission profile. There are 3 predefined permission profiles, and new profiles can be created and tailored according to the security administrator's role. In order for a security administrator to be able to take over a session, they will have to be assigned the superuser permission profile. Let's take a look at an example. The security administrator Jordan was assigned to build a policy for a new project. Jordan called in to let the company know that he will be out for a while to attend to a personal emergency. As the main security administrator, you can take over the work that Jordan has left behind. For this, go to the Manage and Settings section. Click on Sessions and select View Sessions. Notice that Jordan has 68 changes recorded in his session. Right-click on the session. You can publish or discard the session, but in this case we are going to finish the work he started by selecting Take Over. If you have an active session with recorded changes, you will have to first publish these or discard them before you can take over another session. In this case, we will just discard them. Right-click the session again and select Take Over. After clicking Yes, the session will be loaded as your own. In order to see the changes made within the session, we need to enable the session pane. For this, go to Manage and Settings, select Preferences, and make sure that the Enable Session pane is checked within the Checkpoint Lab section. As Jordan was working on a separate policy layer, we will have to open this in another tab. Go to Security Policy, click the Plus tab, and select Manage Policies and Layers. In the next window, select Layers and open the relevant policy, in this case, Project Alpha. In the session pane to the right, you can view every step that was taken to create the current policy layer. After reviewing the policy, we can make changes or publish the policy to the security management server if everything is correct. Before you publish, we are going to create a parent rule that will call for this layer inside the corporate policy. We are adding the parent rule within the temporary access grant section and define the traffic relevant for this policy. Select Inline Layer in the Action column, which will provide the available shared layers. We are selecting the Project Alpha layer. Notice that the policy layer initially created by Jordan is now included in the corporate policy as an inline layer. To complete the work, publish the changes to the security management server. A policy install on the gateway will have to follow to start enforcing the policy on the security gateway. We have shown you that Session Takeover provides you the flexibility to continue and finish the work started by other security administrators. Please come back soon for additional videos.